And we're back to learn Photoshop in the year day 205. Let me show you the Underpainting filter. You'll find it under Filter, Filter Gallery. You zoom out, I hold Alt and use my mouse wheel for that. Under Artistic, it's right here. We have a couple of adjustment options. Let's go over them. The brush size. It determines the size of the brush that is used to apply the texture and color. And then we have the texture coverage, which controls the amount of texture that's applied to the image. The texture type is only a minor adjustment, but you can change that. Usually you want to just keep it to canvas. The scaling adjusts the scale of the texture. It's in most cases a minor adjustment. What has a huge impact is the value below. It's relief. It affects the perceived depth, or you could say dimension, of the texture that's added. And then we have a light direction. It simply determines from what angle the light is being shown on the texture surface. And by using inversion, you can change the way the light and shadows are rendered. As always, don't forget to use OK to confirm. And this is how you can create these extreme underpainting effects in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.